Hi everyone, today I'm going to be working on the GS300 with what is this, a 2JZ engine. It developed a leak, so let me show you the leak that it has. As you can see from the outside, it leaks all over the valve cover gasket. The cover on the front, I should say. As you can see, it goes from the front and it goes from the back where it travels over there, and it's gonna look like it's a leak from a seal, right? Like a front seal or some kind of a valve cover gasket seal leak. So what we're gonna do is take this 10mm here, which I already did, and then remove the Torx right over here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one is right there. All right, once the hex is off, just take it out. And then the leak is gonna be right here. So we're gonna have to take this out too. The screws are on the sides, so we're gonna be removing that. All right, so once the Torx are out, 1, 2, and 3 on the side, you just remove it. Just like that, put that on the side. So the leak that we're trying to after, you see how there's a lot on this? As you can see on the bottom, there's like a puddle right over there. So it's gonna be right here, the seal. There's a seal underneath this. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the 10mm. Is that a 10? Looks like a 12, but I'll be back. All right, so this is a 10mm. Just go ahead and remove it. There shouldn't be much effort to take it off. Once you remove all that, take out all of them. All right, so once you remove all the bolts, always remember the orientation. You see how there's already an oil coming out of it, so I'm gonna have to twist it going this way, so you can feel it going out. There's gonna be a lot of oil coming out, so it's already showing a bunch of oil coming out. So there it is. You can feel it too coming out. So, and then the seal is right here. It went with this plate, but let's go ahead and take that seal out. As you can see, oil is coming out of the seal, and that should be our issue. And then go ahead and clean that up. Looks like the seal on this one is pretty flat. As you can see, it's hard and brittle. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove it. Yeah, it's pretty brittle. It's pretty hard. That's probably why it's leaking, right? So let's take this out. Oh, yeah, it is brittle and hard. It's stuck in there. Hold on, I'll be right back. So here is the new one. The old one was like flat and brittle. So, and see how that is round? It's gonna go ahead and put it on the car. All right, so the seal is in there. You're gonna have to stretch it out. Find a way to latch on it so it won't latch that much, but you got to do it quick. So this has a notch right here. Put it on the notch. There's also a notch right there. So you twist it this way. Sorry, I couldn't catch a video because I was in a rush to put it in before that seal will pop off again. So it looks like the gap on each bolt are the same and equal, so there's no like it didn't pop on the gear. So let's tighten everything up. So when you put back those 10mm nuts, you got to do a star pattern when you seal it back, or where you screw it back. Okay, so star pattern, and then tighten everything. And tight, not too tight. I don't know the foot-pounds of torque, but tight enough, not too tight. Just to make sure that there is no leak, double check. And it looks like it's successful. There's no leak. We're gonna wait, let it run for a while, and double check again. All right, so it's successful. Cleaned it up, dry, no more leak. It was very difficult to put the rubber seal. I'd suggest to get the OEM one. I don't know if it's the same as the aftermarket, but I managed to put it on with the help of a little bit of silicone to hold it up. Anyway, let's cover everything up, and that's it. Everything is fixed so far, so good. Put everything back. There we go. Let's clean up these bolts too while we add it. This one. All right, everyone, my work here is done. Another day, and I hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video. Please subscribe to help me out with my channel. God bless, and I will catch you on my next project. Thank you for coming and thank you for watching my show, and take care, everyone. God bless. Bye.